Shalom, and thank you for joining with me in prayer today. So I want you to take a moment and slowly breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's reset and realign our hearts and minds on Yeshua, the Son of the living God. Yeshua, our Prince of Peace and lifter of the lowly, we ask to be washed clean of our sin. Let us come before you now covered by the precious blood of the Lamb. Yeshua, I feel broken, crushed by the weight of what I am going through. I have lifted my eyes and looked far and wide, and I have not seen you. But Yeshua, your word tells us that the Lord is near the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Yeshua, my heart is broken, and my spirit is crushed. Reveal yourself to me. Restore my soul. Mend my broken heart. And I will sing of your praises. Yes, they will forever be on my lips. Though the afflictions of the righteous are many, I know that Adonai rescues us from them all. Yes, I fall on my face before your throne. I weep before you, consumed by fear and trembling. My hands are lifted towards your throne, towards the source of my salvation. Hear me, O Lord. Hear me and come near to me. Let me feel your touch. Let me feel the warmth of your embrace and stir up my spirit and awaken my soul. Give me strength. Let me rise upon wings like the eagle. Draw me nearer to your side and do not let me be crushed. For in my weakness, you are made strong. So rise up strong, O Lord, you who have conquered the grave. Let others look upon me and see how you have restored me. Let them see your works in me and glorify your name. Yeshua, you are mighty to save. Your outstretched arm is unbreakable, unshakeable, and unmistakable. In you I have placed my hope. All the glory, honor, and power belong to you.